and showed us what we lost. And I'm writing to myself about the things you said, about the things you said. The slowness creeps towards my feet within the light the morning brings to clean the remnants of a dream. Shadows you cannot see, I brush aside. You're on my mind this week. The lows are deep, I fall to the refuge that is sleep. There's nothing in my view but images of you 1,000 times. The summer came for us and showed us what we lost. I'm writing to myself about the things you said, about the things you said. Nothing but an echo, and no one can deny it. Life is nothing but a fiction, a play without a stage, an ocean without waves. The summer came for us, I remember what I lost. I'm writing to myself about the things you said, about the things you said.